Welcome back, dear friends and supporters. In today's video, we will be looking at installing an advanced gang script for your server. This script comes with some cool features that allow you to give specific permissions to gang members. For example, only gang members can cuff, escort, or rob other players. This will remove these powers from general citizens and enhance gang roleplay. Let's dive in and get started. To kick off the integration of this dynamic update into your FiveM server, begin by heading to our GitHub page. We've made this step straightforward for you by placing the link right in the video description for easy access. Upon reaching the page, proceed to download the folder. Once downloaded, unzip the folder and then copy and paste it into the server directory that best fits your configuration. Make sure to add the inside folder to the resources without renaming it and ensure all contents are available inside. Next, import the SQL file to your database. Please ensure that you are importing the SQL to the correct database framework. Now open the README file and find the code snippet provided. Copy it, then go to Qbcore server commands Lua. Locate the setgang command and replace the entire command with the new code snippet from the README file. Make sure to check out Zap Hosting, renowned as the top hosting provider for your server needs. They offer a wide variety of products that can be customized to suit your preferences. Don't forget to use my redeem code at checkout to receive a massive 20% discount. You can find the code in the video description. Additionally, there's more exciting news. If we surpass 100 members using Zap through our link, I will host a giveaway for a lifetime Zap server. This is a fantastic opportunity for our community, so make sure not to miss out. Now, if you open the script's config file, you can change the trigger for each action. You can leave it as default if you aren't using any other police job scripts. When you come in-game, make sure to set yourself into the admin group. You can create a new gang by using the /command/admingang menu. From there, you can create a gang, but you need to ensure that the gang name is defined in Qbcore shared gangs.lua. Once created, you can assign a player as the leader. The gang leader can access the menu by typing /gang menu, which allows them to invite members, see the gang members, and check the gang's details. Admins also have the feature to enable or disable a gang team. When disabled, the gang loses all its powers. Additionally, admins can provide points to gangs, which will be visible in the gang details section. Now, gang members need cuffs as an item in their inventory to get cuffing powers. The leader won't have access to these powers directly. However, if you are a gang member, when you open the gang menu, you will find an actions section. From there, you will have 5 different actions you can choose from as a gang member. These actions create a clear distinction between normal citizens and gang members, enhancing the gang roleplay experience on your server. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful for installing and setting up the advanced gang script on your FiveM server. This script can significantly enhance gang roleplay by providing specific permissions and actions exclusive to gang members. It creates a clear distinction between normal citizens and gang members, allowing for a more immersive and realistic gang roleplay experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I am happy to announce that Coden has welcomed over 2,500 members, making it one of the biggest hubs for FiveM server developers and owners. Currently, we invite 100 new members every day. Our experienced developers and support team provide free assistance to all members who are struggling to set up their servers. All my videos with alert systems are included in the Discord, along with unique client codes and Discord server templates. A big shout out to my support team for their patience and around-the-clock dedication in providing free support. So why wait? Join our Discord and learn FiveM development together.